auto enable or disable Wi-Fi auto connect on OPPO Reno 7 5G. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting on your mobile phone. Here in settings, go to Wi-Fi. In Wi-Fi, now you can see I have connected to this Wi-Fi network virus. And okay guys, you'll have to do to enable or disable the Wi-Fi auto connect is tap the Wi-Fi network, and now you can see here the auto connect, and on the right side of this you can see the switch button, and the auto connect is enabled. To disable the auto connect, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side, and that's it. Okay, you have successfully disabled. And to enable again the auto connect, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled Wi-Fi auto connect on OPPO Reno 7 5G.